Maazị Obiokoli bịara Ikonodia inye Chief Mora with all protocols respected.
Because I'm not going to want to knock on the head, we are not Maazị Obiokoli. Oba, with all due respect, sir, Kola doesn't speak English, but I have to break protocol. You have to take one, sir.
Thank you very much. Another warm welcome to every one of you. The topics of this conference is below listed. You can hear them when the speakers come up. It is a part of a long-running agenda for commitment and redevelopment of what should transform our Nigeria today into a better Nigeria tomorrow.
This environment, as you all know, is very time sensitive, and we would have to go straight to the speeches.
The sum of the Igbo people from different parts of the world and big part of the world is about $10 billion. The advantage of having an Igbo man or woman in any country is that they will help to build that country, develop it to maximum of their ability. The Igbos are not placed in the nation.
Well, let us also be fair. Igbos can never be put into one straitjacket, which is why we have the largest numbers of organizations working with the land. And that's why we're always colliding with each other instead of focusing on the things we should focus on.
Igbo language will not die. There's so much being done. Last year, I went to Lagos, we had a conference, and we did International Modern Language Day. Many organizations came, and we decided that any Igbo meeting, only Igbo will go.
I do know that it is probably for those that don't say which loosely translates to the fact that the Igbos do not subscribe to some sort of blocking.
I think it's a simplistic reading of Igbo culture and Igbo. Igbo do have it. But the way the Eze is supposed to break is different from the way Eze is to break elsewhere. Power in Igbo land belongs to the people, which means that everybody has an opinion.
This is House of Parliament, where we express all views. In this country today, there are 156 CLPs where black votes can change the government today.
If you say you don't care about politics, I say politics is everything. How do you make a change in Nigeria today if you don't have political power? So it seems there's a concept which is called black people don't vote. Now allow me to take you through the journey. If black people don't vote, it means black people don't count. If black people don't count, it means our issues don't matter.
Prof, please, can you advise us what is it that we are not doing right that all those brainstorming ends up in the minutes of the meeting? You never go beyond the minutes of the meetings of the things or meetings that take place here. We are fortunate that 90% of most of the politicians in Nigeria are always here. We see them sometimes, we talk to them, they listen, but the moment they take place, all is said is nothing.